Hey, this is Brian. This is the Mila Air filter here, as well as the machine itself. This is the momma to be air filter. It's a HEPA air filter, and it has this blue color with a carbon filter in it as well. So it's shrink wrapped here. We'll go ahead and get this out. This is what it looks like. It has an empty space in the middle, and the outside has the pre-filter, and then inside it has the carbon filter. So we'll go ahead and take this out. I'll show you how to replace it here. Go ahead and unplug your Mila Air Purifier, and you remove this panel here with the emblem on it by just taking the bottom off, and the top will come off as well. There's a magnet at the bottom. So this is actually, I believe it's the same filter. Yeah, the momma to be. This is what it looks like here. It's kind of dirty. I'm actually gonna, it has a little bit of life left. I'm gonna push this one back in, but to remove it, you would just pull it out. And then the new one, we take out of the shrink wrap, and then it clicks back in like that. Now to place back on this cover, you're gonna put the top in first, and then the bottom clicks with the magnets like that.